Follow me, learn ginseng. One of the active ingredients of ginseng, Ginsenoside Rg1.
Explain.
Ginsenoside Rg1. Molecular formula is C42H72O14, easily soluble in water, methanol, ethanol, insoluble in ether and benzene.
Effect.
Ginsenoside Rg1 can promote hippocampal neurogenesis, improve neuroplasticity, enhance learning, memory, anti-aging, anti-fatigue, improve immunity, assist anti-tumor and repair functions.
Application.
It has broad application prospects in high-end healthcare, auxiliary anti-tumor, prevention and treatment of senile dementia and other neurodegenerative diseases. If you try to buy health products containing ginseng, please read the product composition table carefully. The higher the content of ginsenoside, the better.